Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Garden Blossom. In this video, we are discussing about decorating our garden with unique garden and bridge ideas for your backyard. A garden bridge is a great way to add a fancy touch to your garden, and with so many designs to choose from, you're guaranteed to find a style that suits your tastes and needs. Additionally, designing and building your own backyard bridge can be a fun DIY product to undertake in your spare time. While some garden bridges are purely decorative, others can serve a distinct purpose, such as forming a crossing over a pond or raft terrain or protecting low-growing vegetables or flowers. It really depends on your landscape and what you want to achieve from both an aesthetic and practical point of view. There are hardly a few things that can match the level of peace and happiness it gives that having a beautiful garden, working on it, and then admiring it gives. The pure joy of arranging the pots, the furniture, getting the bushes trimmed, deciding the variety of plants, the lights, and the bird bath and whatnot. Having a lovely garden feels good every day and can be significant attraction to anyone who visits. Therefore, having something unique like a garden bridge can make the garden look amazing. The fantasy-like aura that it gives, taking everyone back to nature, something like where Wordsworth walk and feel tranquil. Having a bridge that connects two different types of paths in the garden can make things interesting. Walking across the bridge, starting from a gravel area in the garden to reaching a grassy portion. There's a quality of walking in the gardens. This is why it will make the experience of strolling around the garden even better. Whether one is a fan of color things or not, having a splash of color in the garden can always transform the whole aura of the place. Colored handrails and constructing this will make the bridge refreshing. Having a pond dedicated purely to fishes to different species, shapes, and sizes, and then watching them from above, feeding them is a pleasant experience. Therefore, a garden bridge above the pond, a wooden structure with a classic light brown color, will make up the bridge. Great idea. If you love landscaping, a well-placed bridge can help you make the most of your space. There are many uses of a bridge, which will instantly enhance the beauty of your pond or garden. So feel free to watch the examples